We are looking at the Spot Edit feature in ScanPro 3000 because you can help manipulate the document to make it easier to read, particularly useful for making the images better or if there is some problem with the production of the microfilm itself. All right, here's what you can do. Notice I'm on the Home tab. The Spot Edit looks a little different than it would when you first open it. I went ahead and made a couple of changes. You can see that by the purple of the boxes. So here's what you do. If you take the Spot Edit, you go ahead and do the little pencil, and you highlight the section that you might want to change or get rid of, right? So I've done that. Lock it in by clicking again. You can move it if you want to, but in this case, it's in the right place. The easiest things you can do is you can black it out, you can white it out, and there you go. You've eliminated the address. Next up, and most important though, is for images. So you can kind of come in here and go to this image here. I clicked again to lock it in, and notice that both brightness and contrast have increased. So we can run the brightness up quite a bit, and you'll see that it makes a change there. We could run the contrast up a little bit too to make it just easier to read. Now it's easier to see. Let's say then we kept going because we're wanting to make other changes, and let's get rid of the orchestra and white it out. And then all of a sudden we realize who wants to get rid of the orchestra? So I'll click here again, click the X, and you can eliminate your spot edits one at a time. Great, right? So this is how we want it to look. We go to output and we can scan, it scans. And then from here, you can go to My Scans and we can take a look at it and see what it comes up as. And what you'll find is that the edits have held that we made, and it looks a lot better, and it's ready for us to save or print. And that is the best way to use the Spot Edit feature in ScanPro.